Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and today I am showcasing my Minecraft world. Let's jump in. I'm making a project. It is called Team Project 3500. So let's start. Let me load in the world first. I'm showing you all my world. How terrible it is. That is the team project. Let's show it. I'm currently building, but it would take me more than an hour, but I will not build it now. I will build it afterwards. And let me eat first. I have made it. One of them is my friend's base. I built for him in his birthday. Let's go. That is over there. Oh, that is not. Where is the base? There it is. Ignore the sound, but this is his base. I built for him. There's nothing in this, but I have grinded a lot for him. And I will show how I got this by duplicating it. I played 207 days in this world. I duplicated one circle box of this and I have 15 of these. Let's go. Instinct, I am not dying. If I jump off this, I can't die. I should liquid for totem. Okay guys, let me go in my base. This is the worst base. I broke some things and moved in my brother's base. But I'm currently building on my brother's base. There's the something useful box. Chest. Grinders. are you not lying? Full netherite beacon, full emerald, full iron, full diamond, and full iron. Sorry, gold. I am forgetting things. This is the fireworks and the most OP chest. Why I am thinking, see the enchantments. Want to play with me? So add me. My username is bro. This is my QR code to add me, and I will add in 5 of you into my world. And it is this is the first part. Bye guys.